This year my daughter is doing her elementary school student teaching, and even though the kids are distance learning and they're sitting in their own home in their own computer, they still want to raise their hand, get up and sharpen their pencil just to kind of get a break from what they're doing or just to waste time. So I thought it would be a fun project to have the TM robot sharpen pencils for them. So in this video you'll see a simple example of the robot sharpening pencils, which is a good example of machine tending, which the TM robot is very capable of doing. Machine tending is the automated operation of industrial machine tools in a manufacturing plant using the robotic automation systems. Machine tending operations are often things like product loading and unloading, part deburring, sorting, packaging, gauging, any of those. So if you have any applications that require any of these options, just contact Valin and our tech support team can help you get the robot that you need for the job that you have. See the information on the screen to get in touch with us.